In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to remove Edit with Base44, Full Guide 2026. If you're seeing the Edit with Base44 watermark on your app and want a clean, professional look, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to hide it using your Base44 settings and the correct plan. I'll keep things clear, direct, and easy to follow. First, open your published app in a browser, the same one where you can actually see the watermark. This helps you confirm the change later. Keep that tab open so you can quickly refresh and verify once we update the settings. Next, switch to your Base44 workspace in another tab and sign in. From the workspace, head to the dashboard. If you're not sure where that is, look for the main home area of your project where you normally manage your app. Inside the dashboard, locate Settings. This may appear as a gear icon or a settings link in the sidebar. Click into it, then go to App Settings. This is where Base44 centralizes key app-wide preferences. Within App Settings, find the option labeled Platform Badge. This is the control for the Edit with Base44 mark. Change its visibility to hidden. After you switch it to hidden, make sure to save your changes if there's a save or apply button. Now, open your preview inside the editor to confirm the watermark is gone. If the preview looks good, return to your live app tab and refresh. If it still shows, try a hard refresh, clear your cache, or open the live app in a private window to avoid cached assets. If you don't see the platform badge option or it's locked, that usually means your current plan doesn't support hiding the watermark. In that case, look for an upgrade your plan link from the same area or navigate to billing from the workspace. Choose the builder plan or higher. Hiding the watermark requires at least the builder tier. Complete the upgrade, then return to app settings and set the platform badge to hidden. Again, save your changes and verify in preview first, then on the published app. A couple of tips before we wrap. If your site uses a custom domain, CDN, or a PWA cache, give it a minute after saving and then refresh. Also, check from a logged out or incognito session to avoid any editor overlays that might confuse the view. And that's it. By using app settings to hide the platform badge and ensuring you're on the builder plan or above, you'll remove the Edit with Base44 watermark and keep your app looking polished. Thanks for watching and happy building!